Hello, my friends. Good day to everyone. Today I'm making for you a last-minute dessert, mini lemon donuts. Really, truly exceptional, easy to make, and above all, super quick when we don't have time. So, what can I say? Let's get started right away with this simple and delicious recipe. Please, don't skip any steps to get the best result. And now, let's begin. In a bowl, we put the flour, obviously sifted, and add a pinch of salt. The baking powder for desserts, okay? Instant baking powder for desserts. We put everything in and mix a little. And we add the semi-soft butter. It shouldn't be too soft, it should be pliable. Like this. We add it to the flour and start crumbling the butter, so basically rubbing it in, like this. We're going to rub the flour until it looks like sand. With the butter. Crumble the butter with the flour. Let's make a well. And let's add the eggs. Let's beat it a little. Let's add the sugar. And of course, grated lemon zest. For those who don't prefer lemon, you can easily use vanilla instead. Okay? So let's mix a little more and start adding the flour. We pour it on the pastry board. Let's start working it with our hands. The dough has come together. I'm adding a bit of flour. And we knead it for a few more minutes until we get a smooth and soft dough. It's already soft. We need to work it a little bit, okay? But you definitely won't get tired, don't worry. If needed, always add a little flour to help it slide easily and not stick. There you go. Once that's done, let's fold it a few more times. And there you go. And the dough is ready. I cover it with the bowl and let it rest for 10 or 15 minutes. This way the dough will relax, become softer, and it will be easier to work with our donuts. The necessary time has passed, and now let's shape our donuts. See how nice and soft it is? Actually, we can shape these donuts however we like. Like bunny ears, like a ring, I don't know. Basically, let your imagination run wild. And let's do it like this. Let's take a piece that's not too big. Let's form a little loaf. And let's roll it up. And here is our little donut. Isn't it so small and cute? So I prepared a tray here with a cloth that I'll put over the donuts, like this. And we continue with all the others. If instead we want to make the little donut, just roll the piece of dough like this. And we give it a shape. Then, with the handle of a wooden spoon dipped in a bit of flour, we go like this, make a little hole in the center and widen it. Here we go. Round paper clip. It's ready. You might ask me, why does it make the hole in the center and not like this? That would be simpler, right? Well, this way they're fine too. But there's a risk that they might open up while cooking, okay? So I prefer to make them this way so they'll stay perfect, because otherwise they might open up. Let's leave this one and see if it opens or not. Here are our graffette. They're all ready. See how cute they are? And of course, they don't need to rise, so they're already ready to be fried. I'm bringing the oil up to temperature, and in the meantime, I've prepared a plate with some sugar that I'll scent with a bit of lemon zest. The lemon-scented sugar is truly exceptional. Okay, the oil is reaching a temperature of 160 degrees, not higher. Please be careful, otherwise they'll burn on the outside and stay raw on the inside. So be careful, once it reaches 160 degrees, we need to lower the heat so the temperature stays constant. 159, that's perfect. Let's drop in our paper clips. Once they're golden, we drain them on paper towels. And while they're still hot, we roll them in sugar. The sugar, of course, that we've scented with lemon. And here we go. And we place them on a serving plate. And here are our mini donuts, ready to be enjoyed, or rather devoured. How delicious and fragrant they are. What a show, guys. Friends, what can I say? They are truly a delight. You asked me for them, and I made them for you. And I assure you that when you serve them at the table, you'll make a great impression, and they'll be gone in no time. So you'd better make a lot more of them. With that said, I'll say goodbye. I'll see you at the next recipe. And as I always say, I send you a hug, goodbye, and thank you all from Aunt Franca.